Hello, today I show you how to repair any BMW e46, e39, e92, x3, x5. Any problem. I work with BM for like 30 years. So any question you can ask me if I can help. The common problem from BMW most of the time is the electrical thing. Here is the 92. Usually the engine and the transmission, they very good, but most of the time it's the minor thing. And if you don't know, you know, the dealer, they charge you like here the x3. And here the x5. Here the 46. E46 and E39 is almost the same. This the engine just different from the body. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you ask me, I can help you. No charge, just and if you like it, you can donate some money. Oh no, it's okay for me because I'm not a real. It's not my real job, but I want to help people. Thank you.